One day on a video, so a day my house broke if I can play and tear down my house. Oh no! You're tearing down my house! No, I didn't find a job! Why am I here? No! What is tearing down it? Please don't tear down my car. My car's my only bet. My car got done. Please don't tear down my car. No, it's tearing down my car. I just got a job. What is this building? Why person got a job at? It's bank so? No. So I try all my money back. It's a crane. It's a crane. I'll go ahead. You know, cranes are sized. I will go this way. I found one car suddenly. What's that sound? Looks like you're after me. Looks like you're after me. It kind of saw me. Whoa, go this way. I don't know where to go. In this car. Oh my God. I want to go downtown. May I can get a job there. I want him. No, we're not up there. Let's see if we can do a shot him. This might be a good place to do a shot. Hey, can I do a shot him? Yes. Do you want a hotel? Yes. Okay. Your hotel's coming. Up there. Oh wait, a jelly when you get mad. I want you to be like, my new house! Yay! Yay, I got a house finally. But I did decide Jabio. But let's just don't decide job stores. What is happening? Oh God, it's time to silent. What happened? Oh God! Who's it? Out What's that? Oh my God! What does it make it like that? I could try to show. can see a job right here. Hey, can I get a job? Yes. Okay, this for 3 days and you should have 100, you should have $16. Here you go, Start this video. Here's $12. Yay, we made $12. But we don't have enough money to buy a house though. Yo, maybe we can walk somewhere else. Oh, I got that. It's a star god. It's like a teardown place where you can like get selfies at. I want to go walk up there. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh, what's the place? Wait, is this Saturday? Right hand. I want to watch this Saturday. You can watch this Saturday and you can make $100. No! Oh my god, what happened? What happened? Oh god. What happened?
Со следующей
I did $100 today. Yeah. So how much did I walk? You can walk 1,000 days. I wish now I'm gonna go buy this bank. How much this bank cost? $10,000. I wasted all my money on that bank. No. Wait a minute. Wait. I hope not even. So I wasted my $1,000. I will walk at a different kind of place. There's gonna be a Gluxus site over here to somewhere. Or did I blow it up? I don't know. But it's with that right here. It's through right there. It's something quite great, Lord. It should make like $1,000 million. And now it can be wet. So let's hope not it goes wrong. Hey, can I walk in? Wait, you don't have one. I just got a prize. I just want $1,000 $grilling. Hey, this is a YouTube place. I don't know if pills go on. One a day. Oh god! Yeah. If anything's attached in my side, oh god, all this things attached to my side. It's right on the floor. Oh god. Oh god. What's this? Lost. Wait. Oh God! Oh God! What's more happening? Why do you think it's going? Why do you think it's going? Why are you silent anymore? One. We made it out of bed, but I don't know how it's gone now. Now, it should be one in the middle of town, but well, I don't where the middle of town. And yet both sides are silent. Saint. Yes. Is that a noob? What's going on? Oh God, I really don't know what to do. Do I now? No, I can't find a shot anywhere. What? So what was I trying to shot at? The old place blew up. I just shot at that old place there. What's that old place? It's the old tape right here. I was sold it. Yeah, I sold it. Oh, I died. Oh God. At least I sound that, but at least I've been cool, but I wonder if we are silly. It was over here? Look at it. Oh God. I will buy this car. Oh God. Help! I thought I could just sell this car. How much does this car worth? $10. Okay, we make $10. Wait a minute. This is the coolest car I have car, and it has $1,000. Yay! How about this lady? That's $100. I take it yet. Now our nail come back city. Cause I just got one thing. Our nail come back. I whip now. I just suddenly we a town. to us. I will be in town. Goodbye, guys. Are we in town? What's happening? Are we in town? Are we in town? Are we in town? I will never come back, but I will just see you guys.